Dear children, let us start with uses of gerund. So my dear children, gerund is used, as I already told you, it is used as a noun. Gerund is used as a noun, and this may act as a subject. Gerund as the subject of the verb. Gerund act as the subject of the verb, like in the following example. One example is there: singing is a good art. Next example is there: smoking causes cancer. Next example is there, like writing leads to improve our skill. So my dear children, here singing, smoking, writing, they all are used as a subject in these verbs, and they all are used here as a gerund here. They are gerunds which are used here as a subject here. Now second use is there: they can be used as the object of the verb. Okay, gerund can be used as the object of the verb, like one example is there: I love teaching the boys. Okay, one more example: I like dancing. Rohit enjoys cooking. Okay children, so here the gerund, these are teaching, dancing, cooking. So here they act as the object of the verb. They are the gerunds that are used as the object of the verb here. Like after verb we have used here teaching, like, dancing, enjoys, cooking. So these are the gerunds that act as the object of the verb here. Now third use of gerund is there as the complement of the verb. As complement of the verb. Third is there as complement of the verb. So how this can be the complement of the verb? Like one of Milton's recreation is singing. One of Milton's recreation is singing. So here it is used as the complement of the verb. So here the main verb is, and singing, it act as the complement of the verb here. Okay, one more example is there: my habit is reading. My habit is reading. So one more example if I'll give you here, that is Kriti's favorite hobby is playing the piano. Okay, so here singing, reading, playing, they all act as complement to the verb. Okay, so in the complement to the verb, how we use, it is used as to be. Okay, it is used as to be. To be in case of present is there is, am and are. In case of past, to be verbs are was and were. Okay, so here they are used this is, this is and this is. They are not used as the helping verb, they act as the main verb. And singing, reading, playing, they all act as the gerund here, and they are used as the complement of the verb here. And now the last one is there, the fourth time, that the fourth one is there,